Hi friends, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for a cozy meal? Because I've got some fabulous pasta for you. Silky pappardelle pasta, tossed with caramelized butternut squash, walnuts, and apricots with fresh herbs. And the whole thing is coated in a rich sauce. This recipe is light, quick, very easy, and the most important, so delicious. I'm using medium-sized butternut squash, which I need to cut, peel, seed it, and cut into a 1.5-inch dice. Absolutely love baking or cooking with squash. You can create so many wonderful dishes for fall or upcoming Thanksgiving dinner, like butternut squash lasagna, creamy soup with coconut milk, or just simply creating delicious desserts. In a large skillet over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons olive oil and start heating until the oil starts simmering. Add the diced squash and cook gently, stirring often until it starts to brown. Peel medium-sized onion and finely chopped. And add it to the squash. Keep cooking on medium heat. For extra spices, I'm using pepper flakes. To build more flavors, add minced garlic. Chop your fresh rosemary around 1 teaspoon and the whole thing cook until vegetables are soft and caramelized. To deglaze the pan, add your favorite red wine. Optional, you can add as well vegetable stock. The whole thing will season with salt and cook for approximately 15 minutes. To create more texture in pasta, chop your favorite nuts. You can add walnuts, almonds, or even pine nuts. As well, for extra sweet flavor, add few pieces of chopped apricots. Cook pasta in salted water and drizzle olive oil. Cook until nicely soft. To the caramelized butternut squash, add olive oil and pasta water. Your ready pasta drain and add to the pan with optional extra pasta water. Mix well to coat your pasta in this yummy sauce. Add finely grated parmesan cheese and mix again to coat everything together until nice and silky. I can't wait to begin, it smells amazing. Finally, plate your pasta on a hot plate and topped with all the caramelized goodies from the pan. Add your chopped walnuts and apricot, and you can never get enough of parmesan cheese. Add additional right on top and garnish with fresh rosemary. Drizzle with olive oil and just enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this quick, light, and delicious meal. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to like this video as well and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!